Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial for paging setup in the NSv Connect portal. Using the paging call flow element, you can broadcast message to multiple users, devices, or groups simultaneously. Similar to creating a ring call flow, paging is set up by adding the users, devices and/or groups you wish to reach when dialing an internal extension to the call flow. When the linked extension is dialed, phones are answered automatically, enabling the caller to broadcast a message to a user or team. To configure paging, visit the Call Flow section of the portal by accessing Phones on the left menu pane, then Call Flows. Now click on the Create New Call Flow button. Drag the paging element into the Call Flow Designer. Clicking the three dots on the paging element, then Settings, will reveal additional settings as seen here. You can now enter the following information: a PIN code that will be requested when trying to page, the name that will be displayed on the devices when they receive a page, and then choose destinations you wish to page. You can choose from available users, available devices, or available groups. Click the plus button to add the desired destination to the selected destinations list. The chosen destinations will show up here. Scrolling down, we can see additional options. These include a media file that will play prior to the broadcaster speaking, which you can choose from the available media files or upload a new one, and whether this paging extension can be initiated by an outside party. You can also designate to bypass call protection. This will allow the page to be broadcast even if the destination is on a call. Click OK to save the settings. Now enter a name for this paging element and a description. Then click Save. Now just link your paging call flow to an unused internal extension number to finish your configuration. To do this, navigate to the Phone menu, then Numbers. Find the number you wish to use for this page. Now click on Not Set and choose the call flow from the list. It is now linked. You can now set up a one-touch function button if this will be used often. Or, you can simply dial the extension number to begin a broadcast. If you have uploaded a media file to play first, wait for it to finish before you begin speaking. Thank you for watching this video on configuring paging on the NSv Connect portal.